Hi everybody, my name is Divi and I'm the CEO and founder of Paladin. Today, I'm really excited to share one of our most exciting features and updates to Watchtower, AR Overlay. Paladin makes technologies to help drones respond to 911 calls and hopefully save lives. When responding to an emergency after the drone arrives on scene, and this is a live video feed right here, oftentimes when the drone is pointing down, it's difficult to know exactly what the drone is looking at. To help first responders and our clients solve this issue, we now have a toggle button for AR Overlay. The way the system works is you simply click this button right here. And once AR Overlay is active, like it is right here, you have a full view of exactly what the drone is seeing. And now you can see what you're looking at. This works dynamically. What this means is as the drone moves around, and I'm going to be flying my drone just using my keyboard controllers because I've enabled keyboard controls here, the drone is able to see exactly what's going on and overlay street names as well as house numbers. Another tool that we have added to help this release is our calibration tool. If you see here on the bottom side of the screen, you have all these different toggles. First thing that you can do is toggle outlines. So if you, for whatever reason, don't want to see the outlines of the roads, you can turn it off. Another thing that you can do is use those outlines to adjust the AR in case it's a little bit off. So for example, over here, it seems like the AR is slightly down. So I'm going to use my latitude button to essentially move it a little bit up and move the zoom a little bit around. And now this entire setting is saved. In order to use this on real-world deployments, what I recommend is fly it out first wherever you're going to be flying and get the zoom pretty much dialed in as well as the latitude and longitude. Once you have everything exactly dialed in, our system automatically saves that information. So now, if you ever refresh the page, this exact setting will be there. So I'll just fly this around a little bit, show you exactly how this works. And again, I will turn off the outlines here so you can only see the house numbers as well as the exact road we're looking at. As the drone is flying, everything gets updated. Now you can see exactly what road you're at, what house number you're at, and this works no matter what orientation the drone is in. Everything will get updated. It also works if you change the different angle, meaning if you move the camera up or down, the entire AR overlay is updated to reflect these changes. We're really excited to get this feature out to everybody. As of today, this is available to everyone who uses Watchtower on all of our drones. Let us know how it's working. This is being released in beta, and we would love your feedback to make this even better and add other information such as GIS data, fire hydrants, and anything else that our users can think of.